preparation of interhalogen compounds. See, there are three important methods are explained how the compounds which are consist of halogens only, interhalogen compounds, can be prepared. The first one is the direct method. You can see here, or by direct combination, we can prepare the almost all types or all categories of interhalogen compounds. Let us go for first one. The formation of X dash, or we can say XY, no issue. See here, if we are taking equal amount or same equivalent of these any two halogens, see here chlorine and fluorine, 1:1 ratio, and this is the high temperature and this is a copper vessel. They combine and form the first category, that is a XY type of interhalogen compounds. Fine. One more example, take iodine and Cl2. If you are taking iodine and chlorine, require certain amount of catalyst HCl HNO3 and boil it, this solution. So this will give also same type of compound, but depend upon the halogen type ICl. One more example is before you. Bromine and chlorine reacts in 1:1 ratio, and they will form BrCl of XY type of interhalogen compounds. Next is what? The formation of X-3, or we can say XY3, both are same, no problem. See, there are three examples are explained, are shown here before you. Chlorine and fluorine, but fluorine is taken in excess. When we took fluorine in excess, it will form ClF3. Okay. It should be subscript. Similarly, bromine and fluorine when combined, fluorine in excess, it will form BrF3. And iodine and chlorine, when chlorine taken in excess, it will form ICl3. This is the direct method which involves the combination of two different halogens, and as per their quantity equimolar percentage, they form different types of interhalogen compounds. So first is what? Direct combination between the two halogens and formation of XY type, XY3 type. Second type is what? Second reaction is when interhalogen compounds are taken as a static material and combined with the halogen. So one most important again reaction. For example, you see the formation of X dash. Br bromine and bromine trifluoride. So one is the bromine halogen and another interhalogen. This is the halogen. This is the interhalogen. When they combine, they will form the XY type compound. See here, in this bromine is taken in excess, or we can say this in this it was a fluorine excess. We have added bromine, so it will form bromofluorides. Similarly, another example is what? The formation of XS-3 or XY3 compounds. Example is there before you. If bromine is reacted with the ClF3, the bromine replacing chlorine, a new type of interhalogen compound is formed. You see here, in the static material, chlorine is the central atom, but in the product, is the bromine is the center atom. And the BrCl is the side product here. Again, it says the interhalogen compounds of XX type. Another reaction is special reactions for ICl. special reaction for ICL. Special reaction for ICL means it is a very important reaction which involves the reaction. 1 minute, I will show you how this will form. This will form when we react. You write this equation KCl3. 1 minute. This will form by a reaction of KCl3, KClO3 plus KClO3 plus iodine. This will give you ICl and some other side products. This is a special type of reaction which involves the formation of ICl. Fine.